welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok no internet connection error even with Wi-Fi. If TikTok keeps saying no internet connection even when you clearly have Wi-Fi, then you will have to fix this problem. So let's fix it. First of all, restart your Wi-Fi router or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. By this may clear out some network issues, and make sure you are also connected to a stable Wi-Fi just in case. Then you're going to turn on airplane mode for a while and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn off your phone and turn it on again. This will clear out temporary glitches or any glitches. Then restart the TikTok app by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen and reopen it. This might just fix your issue. After that, go to the App Store, search for TikTok and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. And that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.